Hello friends, it's Reza. You've come to channel Reza Blade, and today we're going to be reviewing some new stampers that I got. These guys from Ejiubas, $7.99 for the 3-pack on Amazon. I used them once in a video. I don't remember which one I used. I'm going to try out all three. They are non-clear, but it's a nice, pretty firm semi-sticky stamper. It's a good size for small nails like mine. And I have a Pueen stamper that I picked up at Walmart to try out. This is a short clear stamper. So we'll see how these work out. I was trying to figure out what it meant by mess free, and I think what they just mean is that you won't mess up because it's clear. Because stamping is messy. Get out of here, little scraper. Come on. Aha! I like the shape of the scraper. It fits really nicely in your hand. We'll see how that works out real life. All right. So, like the others, this clear stamper has a lid. Doesn't want to come off. There we go. Looks like there is a base. If you happen to soil it with, excuse me, if you happen to get like a polish remover or polish on it or something, the base is removable, so it'll stay clear. That's very important because those bases will sometimes accidentally pick up a little mistake, and then boom, your stamper's done or not clear anymore unless that base removes. Alright, so let me take these lids. I love these jeweled lids. I know that they're just for decoration or whatever, but they're really pretty. So I got some paint cards to play on, and I'm using kind of a randomized selection process of the polish. I've got some Beauty Big Bang polishes here. I've got a BMC. I've got a Z-Joy. And I've got a Born Pretty. So just sort of everything in the kind of realm of what I usually use to give these a try. Now in a stamper, I do look for something that stamps right out of the box. But I don't have objections to priming them if I need to. I'll tell you what I use for clear stampers if I need to this time. So, what do I have to test it on? Well, it's Pride Month, so I've got my Pride plate from Beauty Big Bang. Thought that would be fun. And let's see the clear one first. Well, I don't like these short ones very much, actually, because my stamping method, I don't know what is different about it, but it just doesn't like the short stampers. So let's see. Well, and I just dropped nail polish, didn't I? It's what I do. Make messes. Everything I do is quick and dirty because I'm all about messes. Not on purpose, it's just how I am. Alright, let's try some purple. The lid came off without the stopper thing. It's always no fun. I want to try this one. Okie doke. Well, they're all working so far. Let me fix this. I don't know if this happens to you guys, but when these come up without the brush, usually if you screw them down and press down real hard as you unscrew it the second time, it'll come up and it'll have the stopper. I keep calling it a stopper. It's a brush. It's holding on to some of the polish, which isn't altogether irregular for stampers like that. Let me try a different plate. So now we're going to try a stained glass kind of etching style plate. I like these stained glass kind of images. Gonna get the peacock. This plate, if you guys are interested, it is YICAI 33. See that, guys? Comes up really nice. It's a little light to show up on that one, but let me try this one. I really like this plate, and I've never used it before. Let's try some Beauty Big Bang polish, the gray. We'll get that flower. Here's one of the, oh, that's really nice. Those fine lines picked up very nicely. So it looks like I've got a good batch of stampers. At this point, I think I have maybe 20 stampers. I have a lot. We do tend to accumulate them, don't we? If you guys have a kind of stamper you want to see me try out, let me know. I'm going to try one of each on the acrylic plate I have too, to see if it picks up there. So let's get some Z-Joy here. First I'm going to try the Ejiubas. Very nice. I still have to clean off the stamper after use though. And I think that's part of a sticky stamper. You know, when they're stickier, they will tend to kind of hang on to a little bit of that polish. All right, one more try. We're going to try this with the clear. I am liking the scraper though. This is just a little bit short to get my grip down. All right, lovely. Well, we have success on these stampers so far. This has been a quick one. Quick and dirty does it. I will see you guys in my next video, which is coming pretty soon. So keep an eye out. Make sure you're subscribed. Click that notification button. And we will see you later. Bye-bye.